So this is now fast forward to next day, and we are here in Washington. This is our last day in Washington. So after the Statue of Liberty, we went to the Ellis Island. We didn't get down to the Ellis Island because it was really crowded to come out of the ferry and then again go back to the ferry, and Ellis Island was about to close, so there was no point of going to the Ellis Island at that time. So we just get down there, and then after that we went because we were really hungry. So we went down to eat the famous dollar pizza of New York, which was of Two Bros Pizza. But now it is not for dollar, because we saw like there's one another chain of 99 cents, but we didn't end up going there because this was the oldest one and we wanted to go there. And the pizza was good because the cheese slice is still like $1.50, but the other slices were like $3.50, $4 or something like that. Like the tax was not included, obviously you pay tax on the top of that, but the cheese slice was really good. And the other pizza that we took was, I think, ricotta and spinach. That was also really good, but I like the cheese slice. So we had that, and it started raining heavily, but finally we made it to the Empire State Building. For the night, we had the booking for the Empire State Building. So we went there, and surprisingly we read like there's going to be a huge queue, but there wasn't. Like, there was a queue and there were like 10-15 people ahead of us, but it wasn't like a huge queue. So there was an entire tour which tells you about the history of Empire State Building, and then when you go a little bit up, like it's like 2 floors, you just go and it tells you the significance of the building. And also there was a huge wall where it shows like all the scenes from the movie, that the Empire State Building was there in the movie, like all of the movies or the famous movies. And then finally you take the lift, and the lift was like, even I think less than a minute, you go to the 86th floor. So there are 2 tours. You can book the 86th floor or the 102 floor. So for 86th floor, I think we paid like $100 including taxes and everything for 2 people. And if you go to 102 floors, so per person it's additional $70 or something, I don't know, like something like that. But then we felt like going to 86th floor and then maybe 20 floors extra, there won't be much difference in the view, and then everything's gonna look smaller. So we end up going to the 86th floor, and we went there in the evening. The weather was not good there, so we couldn't have the proper sunset. We wanted to go during the time of sunset, so we roamed there around for like 1 hour, and then we decided we wanted to see the night view of the city from the Empire State Building. So we stayed there for like 1 hour or more, and we waited there until 9 to see the night view, the skyline of the New York. It was really actually nice, and it was worth waiting the time. So we could see the day view and the night view in one go, which you can do if you have a little bit time extra in your hand. And the other thing is, like, you can book 2 times, during the day and during the night, if you have that much money. And then we came back from there. We ended up going to the oldest, I think, the Nathan's cart for the hot dog, because before, when we arrived here, we had hot dog at some random cart and I didn't like it because they also looked not really pleasing, and Nathan cart always looked like really clean, but every time I saw there was not a lot of crowd there. So we thought like, okay, maybe it's not gonna be that good. But then when I was reading like which cart should we go for, which is the oldest cart in New York for the hot dog, it was Nathan's cart, and the hot dog was the best. Like, whatever we have eaten there, the hot dogs were really good, the fries were really good there. It was worth the time, and it was really raining, so we just stand there in the corner and ate our food like typical New Yorkers. It was just like roaming and walking and eating, and I don't like that way of eating, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So that was our end of our next day. Now let's move to our third day. We also had the half of the third day. So we got up, and then the first thing in the morning we ate the bagels, because yesterday we came for the Liberty Bagel, but there was a huge queue. So this time we came early for the bagels, Liberty Bagel, and there wasn't like a queue there. So we ended up eating there, and we took, I think, 1 salmon and 1 egg with cream cheese, because day before we tried the bagel and we said cheese and we forgot it, but they were giving like the American cheese instead of cream cheese. So this time we were careful and got the cream cheese, and the bagels were really good. Actually, it was better than the other one. Maybe our order was better, and then the typical coffee. And then we went to the Central Park. We just walked around like 1 hour around the Central Park. We went to the Central Fountain, and there was the lake. The lake was really dirty, but we saw a bunch of turtles, and it was really cute. Like, अरे बेबा, हम लोग के पास turtle था, इनमें इतनी एनर्जी नहीं होती झपटे. कौन सी? Oh, so cute. And also we found one big goldfish and another fish also. We spent like a little bit time there, had a walk, and then we had to go back to catch a train to Washington. I think this is it for the New York. It was a very hit and miss kind of a place. Like the buildings and the skyline and everything was nice, but the city, especially the midtown, we didn't end up going to like some places in the uptown. I think we were like midtown and downtown we were going. Downtown was fine, clean, maybe because it's like more touristy area, but the midtown where we were taking trains and subway, it was really dirty, not good. I didn't like it at all. It was crowded, and then you don't feel like lot safe there. And the area nearby the downtown and all the tourist area was really good. Like you have seen it a lot more than any other historical places because of the movies and everything. So it was all in all a good time there in the New York. These are all of the things we ended up visiting. So this is it for New York, and if you have made it to this point of this video, thank you so much for watching. And yes, our trip to United States of America hasn't ended yet. See you in Washington. There is some shooting going on. कुछ तो shoot कर रहे हैं. Yeah, so this is it for New York, and